What is up, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, I wanted to show you how from start to finish, you can bulk create graphics for social media without having to think of the ideas. I think that the great thing about AI is that it helps you kind of generate ideas, but this method that I'm going to show you from start to finish is how do I use content I've done in the past and create content that way it sounds like me, it can pull excerpts, but I don't have to go through and watch the content. And so I'm going to kind of walk you through that process right now. As you can see, the video is not long, so you'll be amazed at the things that you can do. So I did a video about CEOs promoting their personal brands. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the URL, I'm going to copy the URL, and then from there, I'm going to go to YouTubeTranscript.com. I'm going to put the URL in there, and then I'm going to paste it, and then it's going to transcript the entire thing. Right? Transcribe the entire thing. So I'm going to copy this transcript. Then I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. This is the paid version. I recommend everybody get the paid version because it allows stuff to sound a little bit more realistic. And so what I'm going to say is, I'm creating content for my personal brand, and I need you to analyze my voice and tone in the transcription I'm going to send you. I need the character limit to be so that I can paste it into the custom instructions section of ChatGPT. Here is the transcript. Now, sometimes people do it a little bit different. They'll like ask it, do you understand? And then they'll say, yes, send me this transcript. I don't like to I like to get straight to the point. So I just paste the entire transcript there. And then what you start to see is it's analyzing the transcript for my tone and voice. All right. So then what we can do now here is we're going to copy this, and then we're going to click here where it says customize GPT. All you're going to do is you're going to paste what you just copied into there, and you're going to hit save. Okay, then what you're going to do is from there, you're going to start a new chat. The reason why you have to start a new chat is because now it has your custom instructions, but it has a new chat. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to that page, YouTube transcript. You're going to copy this again, and then you're going to type, I'm trying to create content for my personal brand using informative one sentence original quotes. The reason why you have to say, let me change this, but the reason why you have to say original is because sometimes if you don't say original, it'll just pull quotes from the internet. From this transcript, please generate. You can do as many as you like. I usually try to stay no more than 15. So for this, I'm going to say 10 original quotes from the transcript. Then I say, here it is. And then I put it in there. And then what it does from here is it creates quotes, right? So now you have your 10 quotes. So then what you're going to say is, great, please format them without quotations or numbers, and format them for copy and paste into a Google Sheet. Okay. So then what it's going to do is it's going to format it, and you're going to be like, well, it looks kind of funny. But then you go here, and then you go to a new spreadsheet. So you can name it whatever, quotes for content. And then you go here, and you're going to paste those quotes into there. You have to delete any filler. So like the prompt came through, so just delete those rows. So now you have your 10 graphics. So then what you're going to do is, this is important, You're going to download, but you're going to save it as a CSV file. And then you can call it whatever, quotes for content, whatever. Okay, so now we're going to go to Canva. And the great thing about Canva is it's super simple to use and it's cloud-based, which I love. But let's say you just want to do a quote graphic. I already have mine. That's what you're seeing on the screen now. I'm actually going to adjust the red a little bit. Let's do this. But there's a lot of templates. I'm not necessarily going to go into the templates of what they have, but for the templates, you can really pick whatever. I recommend that you don't necessarily use a picture for this one because it makes it a little bit more difficult because then you got to change pictures and stuff like that. But for this, it's just text. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hit on the side bulk create, and then you're going to hit upload data, and you're going to upload those quotes that you did there, right? So then this is where it gets pretty cool. Then you're going to click where the quote will be on the screen. So for me, it's right here. And then I'm going to hit connect data. And it's going to, that data that's there, it's going to give me the opportunity to connect. And then I'm going to hit continue. And so I don't know why, but anytime it never, like if I go back, it never seems to copy the first quote, but it'll do the rest. But you can just add it as a page. So then from there we go generate 9 designs. So now, once you've generated it, now you have all this content here, right? So now you don't have to create it. And so then I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go back. I'm just going to copy this first quote. Because like I said, I don't know, for some reason, the first quote, it never does. Right. So then all you do now is you just spend a little bit of time. Granted, before you had to create the idea, think of the content, think of the quotes. I just used this from a YouTube video that I did a long time ago. And now I have another way to create content. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just tidying everything up, right? Because like it can look, I mean, you still want it to look good, but like, again, I'm not spending long on this at all. As soon as I do this video, my phone seems to be blowing up. But all I'm doing is just tightening it up. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm not a big tech guy. So the fact that this is going, like, if I can do it, you can do it. I promise you that. So almost there. And this isn't changing the color scheme or anything. This is just making sure everything is tidy. So then you go here. And then you go here. And then it's tidied up. So now you've just created 10 pieces of content in less than 10 minutes. It's great. It's easy to use. You can create these at scales. You can do different designs so that way you can create more content. So try this out. Let me know what you think. And I look forward to speaking to you about how to make your message known. Have a great day and God bless.